It's time to make your home movies more cinematic. And it's easier than you think, thanks to the Animated Overlays Guided Edit. Just go to Video Adjustments in Guided Mode, then hit Animated Overlays. Import your video, choose an overlay, adjust the blending mode, and voila! Choose from fun options like sun rays and glitter, fog and rain, leaves and light leaks, and so much more. Have fun layering on these super cool effects and get ready for people to ask, "What's your secret?"